Good morning again, and again we are carrying forward that our topic national income, measurement of the national income, and first previous video that we had seen about the measurement of the national income with the value addition method. Now today we are going to see the measurement of the national income by the income method. What is the income method? Income method is means that we have to be include the all kind of the incomes in this method. Already I mentioned here income generated among four factors of production. Four factors of production. Okay. Now that what is that? What is the four factor of production? Sorry. So then what we have seen. Four factor of production is the first we had seen the land, second one we had seen labor, third one we had seen the capital and the entrepreneurship. So this is these four factor, first, second, third and the fourth. Whatever the income will generate from these four factors, we have to include in this, and then we can get it the directly income method, and we will get the national income. Now what we have to see, and what are the I just make it easy to understand that what we are going to include it. Already I have made the videos for the COE, OS and the MI. I think that no need to explain more and more. Just I am going to see first steps we are going to follow in this. What is that? COE, compensation of employee. Compensations of employee. And that what is the compensate? How we have to compensate that employee? Either that suppose that I am giving my service to the Kachma school, so then I am getting the wages in cash. Second things, I am getting the free of cost the accommodations or other facility like a transport or a what. So that is known as the wages in kind. This is the first method, wages in the cash, and the second one is the wages in kind. Now third one is that employer contribution for the employee in the form of social security scheme, triple S. Social security and the scheme. So this is the third one. Now what is that? Step 1 is that calculation of compensation of employee. Now step 2 are coming. Step 2 is coming the operating surplus. OS means operating surplus. And already I told you in the OS operating surplus we are going to start form with the RIP. RIP. R means the representative of the two, that is the rent and the royalty. I means interest, and the fourth one is the profit. Rent we can get is from our own properties. We are giving to the some companies are coming and hiring our buildings and all, so they are paying the rent. Royalty, we are getting the royalty in the case of the copyright and the license or the patent items. So royalty we can get it this one, rent we can get it in case of our own property. Then interest we can get it on the capital. Interest we can get it on the capital, that we have to say that interest we have to be get from the bank or the some whatever is there. Profit we can get it like a share, dividend, and all the things are included here. So that's why the step 2 will include here that what is the in the form of OS, and OS is the representative of RIP, and the RIP is the full form of the rent, royalty, interest and profit. Okay, so this is the things. Now step 3, what we are going to be find out. First step 3 that we have, step 3 that MI means mixed income. MI means mixed income. Income of own account worker. Own account worker means what? Suppose that I open some small shop. Small shop in the sense means suppose the gutka or the tea shops or the pan shops or what. That business which are not maintaining their own balance sheet, that one is known as the own account worker. Okay, they are daily earning and they are daily eating. So the step 3, that what we are taking, step 3 we are taking the MI, and MI is the income from the own account worker, income of own account worker. Okay, now step 4, already I told you in the value added method, we in the value added method, that what we are just finding out, that is the what GVO, sorry, gross value output at the market price. The GVO means what? GVA, total GVA, and then through the GVA that we are finding out the NDP. GVA means we are finding out the GDP, and GDP is the same of the form of the NDP. So that is the things. That is the step 4. We are going to find out the NDP. NDP means that what is that? We are having that in NDP, that all the first 3 steps, if we'll add it, so we'll get the what? NDP. NDP is equal to COE plus what we have? OS, and then after that we are having the MI. So this is the thing that we are going to be added here. Okay, so what will happen? We are going to find out for finding the NDP, we are going to find out the firstly NDP at FC, and then we can find out the COE, OS and the MI. This one will be given, and then we can find out. COE अगर नहीं दिया है तो then we have to find out कि wages in cash, wages in kind and the triple S, तीनों को जोड़ देंगे तो COE मिल जाएगा. अगर OS नहीं दिया है तो दिया होगा rent, royalty, interest and profit, that we have to find out, and then we have to find out the as a OS. MI will be given. Okay, so this is the things. Now step 5 is what? We have to find out the national income, and national income is means that what is that? NNP at FC. Now whatever the NDP we have, we got at the COE, OS, MI, so then we added here what is the only NFIA. It means net income from abroad. Net factor income of from abroad. So this is the things NFIA. Now this is the total method of the income method. We have to find out the national income through the income method. Now we have to find out some precautions. Precautions is mentioned here. Precautions are there in the, what is that? We have to say first, we have to take it. What is that? Transfer incomes will not be included. Transfer income. Transfer means we are transferring our some amount from here to the other countries. So that account will be not added, included. Okay. Then second one, income from second hand goods will not be included. Second hand goods will be not included, because already what happened, already that first time we paid for that and we generated the income from the first hand goods. So second hand goods incomes will be not added. Third one is that income from the sale of share and bonds is not included. Share and bonds is not included. So this is the things that, what is that? It means we can say in the form of the financial asset. Financial asset will be not added. Financial asset will be not added. Now the fourth one we are going to see that what is that? There are the lot of the income from the illegal. हमने घूस ले लिया, हमारे पास इनकम हो गई बहुत ज़्यादा, but that incomes will be not added into the, what is that? National income. Apart of that, there are the what is that? Fifth one is the windfall gains. We cannot be included. जैसे मान लिया GDP गिर रही है, अभी इस समय कोरोना है, that some peoples are getting the, what is that, we are just gaining some profit. So this is not the thing. That income from the lotteries or the horse racing or the whatever the, like we have another thing is that what is that, जहाँ जुआ खेलने जाते हैं लोग, जैसे व्हाट इज दैट, that kind of the incomes we cannot add it. Okay, add it here. So these all are the things are here. You have to say indirect taxes also will be not included here. Okay, then after that payments of the accumulated savings are not included here. For the more further records you can see it here. So first of all, transfer incomes will be not added, income from the second hand goods will be not added, income from the sale of share and bond, it means financial asset, will be not added, and illegal incomes will be not added. The fifth one I told you, the income from the lotteries or the house racings or the horse racings etc. will be not added. Then payment, we have to say the indirect taxes, indirect taxes are not included. Okay, so these all are the things. Quickly I want to revise it. Income method is that what? Income generated among from the four factors of the production. Four factor is that what? Land, labor, capital and the entrepreneurship. Now that there are the some steps we need to find out to NDP, find out the NDP at FC. That what is the first is the COE, second one is the OS, and third one is the MIE. Where COE is equal to wages in cash, wages in kind, and triple S are rent, royalty, interest and profit, and income from the own account, income of own account workers. If we add together, so then we can get it the NDP at FC, and then after that in NDP at FC, if we'll add it NFI, net factor income from abroad, so then we'll get it the NNP. So this is the income method. For the more details, please refer your books and please do the practice, some numerical practice based on the income method. So today is this much only. Thank you for the next video.